Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this Luxe Bidet. I'll put the link on the description down below, and let's get started. So first thing first, you're gonna shut off the main water line. Okay, righty tighty. Make sure it's nice and shut so it won't leak out. Second thing you're gonna do, you're gonna flush the toilet valve. Okay, after that you're gonna take off the lid and empty the water in the tank. Okay, so flush it again and begin to soak up the water in there. You can use sponge, you can use whatever you want. I got a towel and I got a bucket, so I'm gonna soak it up. I'm gonna squeeze it out, all the water, soak it up again until you got it out, all the water out. Look at this, it looks pretty empty. I mean, you don't have to be all the way empty, but I mean saying. So number 4, we're gonna unbox the new bidet. This is the Luxe. I'll put the link on the description down below where you can buy this. Man, this is a must. I'm gonna make your life easy. It goes in there, right? And this is the piece that comes with it, the hose, the T-piece, and you got some Teflon tape. And this is no tools needed, guys. So they give you a tools, but we don't need that. So we're gonna take off the seat, pop that off, and pop this one off, and then unscrew it from the bottom, lefty loosey. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side and take off the seat, just like that, baby. And then you're gonna put a rag underneath the water line, the main water line, because it's gonna, once you take that off, it's gonna leak out. So you gotta put a rag underneath. So bow. Well, it didn't leak out that much. And then we're gonna install the bidet. Sit it down and then put the lid on top, and then just set the, and then put the toilet seat up on top, and then tighten them up both sides, close it up. Super easy, right? And then you're gonna put a Teflon tape on the T-piece on each end, this one and the other one, so make sure it won't leak out, just like that. And then this is the hose. That's why I said no tools needed. You're gonna use that right there, the gray one. That's how you turn the, how to tighten them up. Okay, the nut. That's number 9. We're gonna install the T-piece to the bottom of the tank. Okay, righty tighty, no tools needed, just my hand. And then we're gonna connect the main water line to the bottom of the T-piece. Okay, the one with the Teflon tape. Righty tighty, get it in there very good. Make sure everything is tight. Using my hand, no tools, just like that. And now that's what it looks like. The main water line. We're gonna get what they gave us. We're gonna install it right there to the T-piece. The hose, okay, the one with the Teflon, righty tighty. And then we're gonna slide the gray that I was talking about. That's how you're gonna tighten them up real good. And now we're gonna go to the bidet. You're gonna put a Teflon tape. Don't forget about that. Put a Teflon tape on that bidet, on the screw, and screw it in. You see that gray one? We're gonna slide it in and then tighten them up with the gray one. No tools needed, like what I said. Tighten them up real good. It's good now. And then make sure there's no kinks. Straighten them up. The hose, the metal hose. And then you gotta test it out. Last but not least, turn the water on and check for leaks, and that's it. So I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna hear the water gushing to the tank, and look for leaks. On this case, everything was tight, no leaks. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, and like. Bye.